Hello YouTube, W&J's Handynet here, and today I'm going to show you an alternative method to change your side view mirrors from this to this. Now you've seen my prior video where I painted them, and painting is certainly a viable option for a lot of people. It does a great job, seems to last long if you do a good job on it. However, it does require some prep work, masking, and some painting skills, and you know, unfortunately it is a job that's easy to mess up. So an alternative, or something if you're looking to try to maintain as much as possible the factory appearance, are these products from Renew Protect. I'm not sponsored by them, they didn't donate these to me, anything like that. These are all products I've purchased. But the black is what you put on to darken the black, and then you can choose between the satin or the gloss depending on if you want a satiny finish or a gloss finish. So shake it up, and it is messy, so you definitely want gloves. So when I opened that, it came squirting out. Put some on your applicator, and then it's just a wipe-on procedure. You don't have to scrub or buff or anything like that. And it just goes in, soaks in, and darkens the plastic. I'll let that dry for about 5 minutes, and then I'll put a second coat on. I'm just using a shop towel, but you can use pretty much anything you want to apply it. It's just, since it ruins whatever you're using, I like disposable stuff for this sort of thing. I'll do the driver's side with the gloss and the passenger with the satin, just so you can see the difference. And again, it's meant to just be wiped on. You don't buff it in or rub it in. And it's supposed to last a year. I would say, based on me trying it on my Avalanche, that was probably accurate. It lasted about a year. Put it on all the plastic body cladding stuff. Obviously, like all products, it works better if you've already been taking care of your stuff. If you let it get all faded, chalky, and oxidized, it's not going to come out as nice. And just like the black, you wait 5 minutes between coats. So I'll let that dry. I may not even need a second coat. So there is the after with 2 coats of the gloss. And just for comparison's sake, there is 2 coats of the satin. There's not as drastic a difference between them as you might think. The satin is not a whole lot less glossy than the gloss is, so really I probably just stick with gloss all the time. Well, that's my personal preference. You may like it a little bit more satiny, but there's really, to the naked eye, there's not enough noticeable difference to worry about, in my opinion. Hope the video was helpful. Appreciate thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.